Boukje and Reintje. I'm going to ride Reintje again to check if she is still a bit lame. Ik heb haar nog 2 weken stilzitten. En de tweede week heb ik haar nog vakantie. En hopelijk is het nou beter. Maar juster ik haar aan de longeerlijn. Toen dacht ik, ik weet net. Ja, juster. Hey Belle. Hoi. Maar ik zal even opzetten, want het begint zo meteen te regenen. Dus misschien dat ik nog even droog rieden kan. Ik al is het maar even. Om te checken of ze weer beter is. Hey Boukje. Zo. Scratching her hoof. Hallo? Goed zo. Kiki. Hey. Well, in walk, she feels good. Okay, in trot she is better than the last time I rode her. About 2 weeks ago, I think. But it's not perfect yet. So I don't do too much. And we shall see if next time is better. Or don't know yet. Oh. Buis het? I'm shaking. Oké, ze vindt het een beetje spannend. Is net eng. And there are Belja and Deutsch. Oh. Kiki. Kijk, zie Yveske, Sally, Blomke, Boukje en Coralle. En Belle. Hey. Oh, je mouth. Time to cut off those chestnuts. Uh-oh. That's better, and that one too. And that one has to go off. 5 minutes later, het hagelt. I'm checking the poop again. This one is from Boukje and that one from Reintje. And 1, 2, 2. Here you can see all the things in the poop. The worm eggs are going to float because of the salt water. And now we are going to deworm the horses. I try to do it today. Boukje. They always deworm the foals with a couple of weeks in between. And I also deworm the mares. I hate worms. Rakker. Hey, Kiki. Hey, Rakker. Hey, Reintje. Hey. Bella. Corolla. Oh. Coralle, Bella, Blomke, Sally, Yveske, Reintje, Reissie en Boukje. It rained a lot last night and today also. So I think, and Mathilde think, they have to go inside tonight. Hey Bibi. They are wet. Skittle, Puck, Daisy, Peach, Glendy, and Spidey. And Glendy isn't that fast because she's a bit lame in her left shoulder. Spidey isn't that fast because he wants to eat. Okay, I first take Bibi and the others. Yay! There is Spidey. Oh, Skittle don't like it. Okay, first this 3 and then those 4. Gimmick mooi. Glendy, Daisy, Spidey, and Pete. Okay, there we go. Close the fence. No, no, no. Oh. Okay, now I have to help. Hey, Juke. Juke, Reisje, Yveske, Sally, Blomke, Reintje. Hey, Boukje. Hallo. En Belle. Hey. En Coralle.